back on them, y'all. We got a reaction on Hurricane Wisdom, I believe. Yeah, Dangerous, I think it's called. Yeah, Dangerous. All right, come on, stop into it right now. Turn it down though. I love Hurricane Wisdom beat. I mean flow. Wrong. I turned it up on that. Okay, this is Say all the trouble, I never do that when I'm older. It's the type we used to shine when we was kids. I'm growing up, realize it's my worst feel sober. It's the type that should have said before the day. Okay, said before the bells. It's okay, you love me still. That's real right there. How do we gotta go back? It's the type that should have said before the day. Okay, said before the bells. It's okay, you love me still. I got it. He said, "You still love me still." Hold on. Yeah, that's real right there. He said it's hard to fail sometimes. Sure. You should have said you was feeling strange. Don't the answer, I'm going too much that I could change. You know I feel the same. Ain't no use feeling pain. I feel what you came with face. Should have came with rain. Should have came with a warning. Love life just dangerous. Everything different, but I'm way richer than yesterday. When all walls down, I know people change. Bought a crib, 3 cars, and got a different bank. But I'm just saying I'm okay. Tight on, they been getting on peace. Plus I got this family that's depending on me. I been sitting down with the just I said I went up like me. Decided to withdraw to the taxis after taking my seat. Say no to drugs, I never do that when I'm older. Hold on, you said no to drugs. He said say no to drugs, and he said he'll never do that no more. Hold on, I gotta go back. That's depending on me. I been sitting down with the just I said I went up like me. Decided to withdraw to the taxis after taking my seat. Say no to drugs, I never do that when I'm older. It's the type that we used to shine when we was kids. I'm growing up, realize it's my worst feel sober. It's the type that should have said before the day. Okay, said before the bells. It's okay, you love me still. At least your love is real. Tried before, it's hard to feel, you know. That's, oh my god, Hurricane Wisdom spit on this. Hold on. He said, I know you still trying to love me still. It's okay. I know your love's real. That's real right there. Oh my god, Hurricane Wisdom speaking. That's crazy right there. Yo, low key Hurricane Wisdom spit like ain't gonna lie, like I hear like his other songs, Giannis, and his new like Drut's Calling and his other songs, they like really are like they're really that good, honestly. Solid, honestly, Hurricane Wisdom is like he's low-key criminally underrated. Well, I'm glad he got like the recognition he deserved because he was like he was only known for Giannis, like that song Giannis, and he got like a Polo G feature on his remix of it. I'm so glad like he low-key like. But so I feel like him, YTB Fat Mac, and like a couple other rappers. I feel like YTB Fat been like low-key like hopping around on like features. Alright, but that's gonna be it of today's reaction. Hurricane Wisdom Dangerous. Peace out, y'all. Catch y'all next one. Peace out.